Hi everyone, in this video we going to take in-depth look on Baseus C02 Mega Magnetic Wireless Charging Car Mount. Specification. Installation. Instructions. Precautions. Features. Troubleshooting. FAQs. What is the Baseus C02 Mega Magnetic Wireless Charging Car Mount? Is the Baseus C02 Mega compatible with all smartphones? What charging speed does the Baseus C02 Mega support? How do I install the Baseus C02 Mega in my car? How do I clean and maintain the Baseus C02 Mega? Can I adjust the viewing angle of the Baseus C02 Mega? For more updates, subscribe to our channel.